handkerchief and wipe your snot. If you hiccup for a long time, drink a lot of water and the hiccups will go